This is Optimal Health Daily, episode 1669, The Lowdown on Personalized Nutrition by Nadia Mazari with idealnutrition.com.au. And I'm Dr. Neil, your very own personal narrator. Happy Monday and welcome back to another week of Optimal Health Daily. This is where I read to you from some of the best health and fitness blogs on the web, kind of like an ongoing audiobook, and always with a bit of my commentary at the end. Now, I'm sure you're excited to hear all about personalized nutrition, so let's keep this intro nice and short and get right to today's post as we optimize your life. The Lowdown on Personalized Nutrition by Nadia Mazari with idealnutrition.com.au. Personalized nutrition is a burgeoning niche within the trends of personalized medicine and scientific wellness, promising highly individual solutions to dieting woes, longevity, and a plethora of other health struggles. It's no wonder that personalized nutrition has become both a buzzword and a commercial enterprise. This has left many puzzled by its health claims, unable to sort fact from fiction. Perhaps most startling, however, are the sensationalist headlines spreading through social media platforms that discretionary foods, such as chips, could be healthier for you than salad. So, let's explore what personalized nutrition really does offer you, and if such claims hold some truth. What is personalized nutrition? There is yet to be an agreed-upon definition of personalized nutrition. The term is often used interchangeably with nutrigenomics, nutrigenetics, or nutritional genomics. All of these concepts, however, describe a highly individual approach to nutrition that involves utilizing one's genetic makeup. Commercial solutions or wellness programs obtain your genetic profile through microbiome samples, blood tests, or saliva swabs. This is, of course, often followed by collecting your diet history, lifestyle factors, and other anthropometrics. This wealth of data are then put through machine learning algorithms to come up with highly targeted solutions for your health. After collecting your data, the program is carried out online or through video or phone consultations. How was the term personalized nutrition coined? Personalized nutrition has been a concept explored within the scientific discipline for more than a decade. However, the idea didn't really come into public lexicon until roughly 2015. In 2015, a group of Israeli researchers from the Weizmann Institute of Science published a revolutionary study demonstrating the highly individual characteristics of glycemic responses. The study was just one phase of the long-term Personalized Nutrition Project, which was the brainchild of Dr. Aaron Elenov and Dr. Aaron Siegel. The published phase of the study was led by David Zevi and Tal Korem, PhD students in the Aaron Siegel lab, who collaborated with other researchers across scientific disciplines. Their study involved continuously testing the postprandial glucose response over the course of a week in a cohort of 800 people with various medical histories, who cumulatively consumed more than 46,000 meals. Genetic, lifestyle, and anthropometric data from each participant were churned through the machine learning algorithms. The results shocked the scientific community. It appeared that there was high variability in postprandial glucose responses among those who consumed the same food. Bananas, for instance, increased one subject's postprandial glucose response more than cookies, and vice versa in another subject. These results enabled Zevi and colleagues to curate the algorithm diet, which they validated in another 100 subjects. A short-term nutritional intervention was then conducted on another 26 participants with promising results. So, how did personalized nutrition become another buzzword? Since the publication of Zevi and colleagues' results, many more studies into personalized nutrition have been conducted. While most of these studies provide further insight into the growing discipline, some wellness programs and media platforms have exploited the evidence. As many may have minimal scientific understanding, they have managed to spread pseudoscientific claims to vulnerable individuals, such as French fries are better than salad. While it's true that French fries might increase the postprandial glucose of one person more than a salad would, that person's health and nutrition do not whittle down to just their glycemic response. A salad would undoubtedly offer many more vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants than a serving of fries. The mix of foods in a salad also enables a variety of micronutrients to interact and provide you with the best chance at nutrient absorption. How is personalized nutrition different from standard medical nutrition therapy? Firstly, given the relatively young field of personalized nutrition, no long-term studies exist on the efficacy of targeting certain genes in the treatment of specific metabolic conditions. While most studies to date have provided us with great insight and promise for such therapeutic approaches, conclusions have been population-based rather than individual-based. Commercial programs have capitalized on such conclusions, some of them citing, for instance, that if you have a variant in the ApoA2 gene, you have a predisposition to obesity, so increased consumption of saturated fatty acids will likely lead to cardiovascular disease. Although this theory makes sense, cardiovascular disease, like many other metabolic diseases, is multifactorial and cannot be put down to a single gene alone. We would all, in fact, benefit from a diet low in saturated fat. Where we are with the evidence for personalized nutrition means that commercial programs are more of a luxury for those interested in improving their overall lifestyle, rather than a clinical strategy for a medical condition. Personalized nutrition programs offered via the internet cannot replace the advice of a health professional versed in communicating evidence-based information to their clients. The crux of personalized nutrition. Personalized nutrition is still a developing field within the scientific discipline. The literature we have to date offers exciting opportunities to further our understanding of nutrition, health, and disease. Nutrition is a complex science, and as such, if you are struggling with a medical condition, your weight, or a diet-related issue, it's best to consult a health professional, like a registered dietitian, who is trained to deal with the multifactorial complexities of an individual. You just listened to the post titled, The Lowdown on Personalized Nutrition by Nadia Mazari with idealnutrition.com.au. Right now, hiring is challenging. It's time for a hiring partner that can help you rise to the challenge. That's Indeed. Instead of spending hours on multiple job sites hoping to find candidates with the right skills, you need one powerful hiring partner that can help you do it all. If you're hiring, you need Indeed, because Indeed is the hiring partner where you can attract, interview, and hire all in one place. I love that Indeed makes hiring all in one place so easy. Indeed assessments help take the stress out of the interview process. Your candidates don't need to prove themselves again, and you can dive deeper into talking about what's important to you. Start hiring right now with a $75 sponsored job credit to upgrade your job post at Indeed.com/health. Offer valid through March 31st. Go to Indeed.com/health to claim your $75 job credit before March 31st. Indeed.com/health. Terms and conditions apply. Need to hire? You need Indeed. Dr. Neil here for my commentary. Whenever someone visits a healthcare professional, especially a registered dietitian nutritionist, nutrition is always personalized. So I remember when I first heard this term, personalized nutrition, I was confused. I was like, shouldn't all nutrition be personalized? But as today's author Nadia said, this form of personalization, where foods are recommended or recommended to be avoided based on DNA testing, is a very new field. Plus, there are different forms of DNA testing and different DNA collection methods. Some of these are more accurate than others. But probably more importantly, as Nadia said in today's post, there are many factors involved in predicting disease risk, and diet is just one of those. So, personalized nutrition involves more than just looking at our DNA. It needs to take our health history and current lifestyle, which includes diet, into account. All right, that'll do it for the Monday episode. I hope you have a great start to your week, and I'll be back here tomorrow as usual, where your optimal life awaits.